Here's where you can go to find the caller ID and spam protection on your Samsung phone using your default Samsung Dialer app with Android 16. When you're ready to turn this feature on, go into the default Dialer app here for Samsung phones. Then while you are here, you'll look for the three dots found at the top right area. Whether you're in Recents or keypad, just look for the three dots to the top right. And as you tap on it, you'll see these different settings, and one of them will say just settings. As you enter here now, you are going to look for the one that says caller ID and spam protection. By tapping here, this will give you a different view of what else options there is available. So you can go ahead now and turn it on from here, and that's gonna go ahead and help you identify spam and scam callers. And of course, this is usually based on callers that are not on your contacts list. You can also enable this feature here, the one that says block spam and scam calls here, and you can choose which one you prefer, but you can only choose one out of the two, okay? And of course, prior to enabling this feature, you will be prompted to agree to certain features and usage of the caller ID and spam protection. All right, and of course, if you don't like this feature, you feel like it's not doing anything, just turn it off. Like and sub.